Here I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup account on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select Backup and Reset, and then activate it by tapping on Backup My Data. Just tap on here, and now create the backup account by selecting the second option, which is Backup Account. Now click to Add Account. Okay, and make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi or some other network. Let me do it. Okay, it's HardReset.Info, that's mine. And let me try it one more time. Add account. Give your device a few seconds to check all the information. And now you can log in either with your email number or phone number. You can also create a Google account if you do not have one. So in my case, it's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com, and then tap on Next. And here you can enter your password. If you would click on this eye icon, you will be able to see what you are entering. So let me enter mine off the screen. And once the password is entered, tap on Next. And here you've got the terms of service and also privacy policy. You should come along with all of them. Simply by tapping on the links, you can read all the documents. Just come along with all the documents and then tap on I agree if you do. And that's it. As you can see, your backup account is active, so you do not have to be worried about your data. It will be all backed by Google account. So that's it. You can obviously deactivate it anytime you want by tapping on this switcher and then confirm by tapping on OK. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.